Hey, knock knock knock, Sylvia here, and welcome all to my Free AI Money 2.0 review, guys. Yeah, I am still a little bit in my dreams. I've just woken up, but it's almost 10 AM here in London. Unbelievable. I just needed that long sleep. So yeah, I feel like my face is a little bit puffy still. Morning face, morning glory. Okay guys, here we have the newest launch by Kevin Farley. This product is going live today on the 28th of January at 9 AM New York time. Okay, so here we go. I'll show you the members area. You will access this product from his membership site, which is going to look like that, and you're just going to click on the product you want to access. So it's Free AI Money 2.0 in this instance, right? So this product was really launched like 6 months ago, and I will not go in depth into I'm not gonna comment too much on every single of the videos. I'm just mainly gonna focus on the new update, the new input, which are these 6 videos. Okay, the rest, like from here, from module 1, introduction, case study, creating the business, and then traffic, funnel setup, and all of that. This is a bump offer, and below you will have some upgrade number 1. Okay, so from module 1, introduction and case study, this product is basically I'll cut it straight to the point. Okay, I'm not gonna beat around the bush. Like, it's about creating the system, the business. About what business? Yeah, it's about creating, guys, a product from A to Z, using nothing but AI, ChatGPT, and really, like, Kevin is a legend. He's the master of internet marketing, affiliate marketing. He's launched so many products, okay, and he really shows you what the steps you need to take in order to put this product together, to do the brainstorming, to search for ideas on creating a product, and do not be put off. You know, I am working on my already, like, in my head. I have not really started jotting anything down yet, but on the product that I will launch soon. Okay, so yeah, because it's time. Let's do it. Let's take action. Okay, and here now, these days with AI, when ChatGPT will give you all of the suggestions, ideas, and the content, you just need to sort of like navigate through it, know what prompt to give it to, and know. So let's learn AI, because the tool is here. And there you go. We can just benefit from it big time. Okay, if we are not scared of it, or if we are not intimidated by it, intimidated. If we are not intimidated by it, I'm just making up words. Okay, see, it is early in the morning, so my brain is not it's not AI after all. I am real intelligence, and real intelligence needs time to smooth into the day. Okay, that's the beauty of real intelligence. So there are so many, like, colors to us, so many emotions to us, and that's the beauty of being a human being. But hey ho, AI is surely a great tool, so let's use it. This tulip is on my way. Oh, it's beautiful though. Spring is coming. So guys, what I am mainly focused on, and Kevin in this, like, product creation process here, again, uses nothing but AI. Then he will also use, for the funnel creation and all of that, for page building, he will use a platform that is free as well, that's System.io. Very good platform, guys. Not just your autoresponder, but your page builder, your funnel builder, your everything. Okay, and with the free startup, sort of the free plan, for the autoresponder alone, you get like 2,000 subs, I believe, subscribers. It's crazy. It's a very great platform. I'm moving to System.io as well, because they also have an automation in place as well with the free plan, which is pretty cool. Okay, and then he will go through the traffic, how to get traffic to your offers. So guys, great product. Okay, but I did review this Free Money AI 6 months ago. I will actually attach the link to my Free Money AI below my review, but this is Free AI Money 2.0, okay? So this is the input, okay? Here we have the new additional for 2024 free AI money affiliate bonus system. So essentially what this is all about, let me go to the sales page because that's where we'll find the information. This is the JV page. So let me try and navigate to the sales page. I've got too many tabs open. And obviously, guys, I also have some splendid bonuses, which I'll discuss later. I mean, a lot of value here, insane value, actually. For those who decide to pick up this product via the link below my review, I'll discuss my bonuses a bit later. And for those who still don't know who Kevin Foley is, this is the legend. A vendor, a guy, I mean, marketer whom I respect tremendously. I have learned tons from him. I have reviewed so many of his products, and actually I have left my testimonial. It's here. Just, oh, very nice. He put it as the first one. Okay, on the sales page here is this guy who's behind blogs. I'll be actually reviewing his upcoming launch soon, Mark Bishop. Super cool vendor as well. But yeah, read my testimonial if you wish. But what do we have here on the sales page? So for the new for 2024, the free the free affiliate sales system using free AI money. Discover how I use AI to generate 302 affiliate sales and bank over 7,000 in 5 days. Full step-by-step training, templates, case study, and much more. This is gonna blow your socks off. Oh, you're stealing my line, Kevin. You're stealing my line. You're stealing my line. I say this is gonna blow your socks off, but it's okay. You're forgiven. Okay? Thou shalt not sin anymore. Okay. I'm really off my head. Okay, but here we go. So basically what he's talking about, you see this like automated commission system by Benjamin Fletcher. Amazing product, which I personally promoted as well. It sold quite well to me as well. Really, really, truly amazing product. I have learned so much from it. I mean, this is the crazy thing about me. Guys, I don't know about other affiliate marketers. I'm not going to speak on their behalf. But when I review a product, whether this is a software, I check it out properly. Well, I do, okay? When I review a training course, I watch it very often twice. Like the previous one I was reviewing was, what was it? Oh, it's too early for me in the morning. It's not that early really, but yeah, I've just woken up. My previous one, oh my goodness, it's on the tip of my tongue. Never mind. But I watched it twice. Yeah, by James Renouve and David Spino, right? This pay-per-call amazing training course. I watched it twice with one breath. I was just so fascinated by the method and how it really works, and the potential of making money is just insane. So guys, that's what was my point? My point was that I have learned from Kevin tons, okay? And I have also learned from Ben Fletcher, and as Kevin was about this automated commission system, and Kevin was promoting this automated commission system using the method that, guys, you will learn from this, okay, this new edition. So he will show you how to create, basically, he approached this promotion so smartly. He did use some paid traffic, but mainly he was promoting this automated commission system, again by Ben Fletcher, to his list, and also he launched his bonus, okay, that he offered to his buyers if they buy automated commission system on Warrior Plus. So it was like a free launch. So that's how he shows you. But again, do not be intimidated by the notion of, oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to create this product. You know, everybody's scared when they hear product creations. Like, they run for the hills, they put the track shoes on and run, okay? Run, Forrest, run. Nothing to be scared of. It's just, like, for example, myself, I have created like 600 videos, and a training course can be 5-6 videos. So what's the big deal? Okay, when you feel you're ready, you don't even have to feel you're ready. Just tell yourself you're ready. Because when you're waiting for the bing, I'm ready, it will most likely never come. So you decide when the time is right. So he launched this bonus, okay, and delivered up front. And also on the landing page, he had his affiliate link to automated commission system. So you see, he delivered value up front without people having to buy anything. So, and then, because that's the beauty. before you can receive, you first need to give, right? So he gave so much value up front without asking people to buy anything, but he very smartly put the links here and there, reminded people in the follow-up emails as well about, you know, automated commission system, and it did sell. At the end of the day, it did sell. He made a little twist to it, to how he promoted it, and it really, it's the system generated him, over $7,000 in 5 days by promoting just one product. So there we go. All right, I would encourage you to go check out the sales page. Click here. It's launching in 4 hours from the time I'm shooting this review. It's probably gonna be live by the time I upload this video. So read my testimonials, read other testimonials, check everything out. This is Kevin, the legend, the guy you can really trust. You know, let's learn from him because he's such a source of knowledge, okay, and experience when it comes to affiliate marketing. This guy is super cool, Dave, as well. I like to watch his reviews on YouTube. He's very he will tell you as it is. He's straight to the point. So Kevin will also give you some bonuses, which could be products, entire products themselves, really amazing bonuses. All right, so here we go, and let me also show you. There will be a few upsells, only a few upsells. Like if I go from the sales page, there will be a bump offer, a done for you system, which is basically a bump offer on the front end. Essentially, this is gonna be you just import it into System.io, which is a free platform. So everything will be you will have all of the templates for the squeeze pages, landing pages, guys, sales page, the whole funnel, okay? The whole product will be done for you. Just need to sort of change up some details and that's it. But Kevin will lead you through the process here. And then this one, the OTO number 1, is really good as well. It's all about, again, free platforms for image creation, AI video and image generation, text magic for the VSL letter, so video sales letter. 11 Labs is very good AI voices. Picktree, you start for free, but then you do pay, but they give you a 1 month free trial. Picktree is your video making software. Blue Willow and keyword training here. Blue Willow is for, what's Blue Willow for? I knew it. It's probably an alternative to Midjourney or Leonardo.ai. I believe it's about image generation. I would have to double check, but I'm pretty sure. Most of the time when I review products to do with image generation, they mainly suggest Midjourney or Leonardo.ai. But Blue Willow is pretty much about image generation as well, unless I'm mistaken, but I don't think I am. And more AI image solutions here. Very good upsell, this one, okay? And there will be a few more. So guys, once you pick up the product, you will be presented with the upsells. Just a few, I believe 6. There you go. This is the funnel here, guys. And the free AI money 2.0, it's called also free affiliate sales, is on a dime sale for I believe $26. And now guys, once you've picked up the product from me, you also get some amazing bonuses. This is written by me, email copy guide. This is like an ebook, okay? How to do effective email marketing. So there you go. How to write emails. Your subscribers can't resist. So I'm quite proud of this ebook. Okay, and then you will get access to free checklists by Kevin Foley, but his checklists are mind-blowing. It's not just some one-page checklist. No, it comes with insane bonuses on traffic generation and this and that. So free checklists by Kevin Foley. Affiliate marketing, lead source checklist, and TikTok marketing. I thought it would be pretty cool since TikTok is so trendy. So guys, go check out the sales page below my review amazing system, a new system. Kevin will teach you here how to really smash your affiliate offers, how to smash your affiliate campaigns, okay? And yeah, make thousands in just a matter of few days. Obviously, you'll need to have traffic, run traffic to it, but there's also plenty of tutorials on traffic. And yeah, traffic is almost always the most tricky bit. But yeah, this is something we have to either work for organically for an extended period of time or buy traffic, right? But this is another story. Not for today. Alright guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.